project, I had to find out about these people, and I'm glad you suggested that we come to this American Museum of Historical People.
Glad I could help you, dear. I'm anxious to find out about them, too.
Just to press the button of the American you would like to learn about, take a seat and listen to the presentation.
Sounds a little too simple. Okay, I'll trust you on this one. Must take after your grandma with being so smart.
Okay, which one should I press first? It says to press this one first. Okay, here goes. Go to the polls and vote, vote, vote!
Now that was a cool exhibit. Woman everywhere, it's time to go and vote. Catchy phrase. Okay, choose another one.
Well, this seems like an interesting person. Mary McLeod Bethune.
Now that was an interesting exhibit, and the music was great. Time to pick another one. But is there time for a guy?
Okay, I'll pick this one next. Frederick Douglass. Hey, who's that?
Lyndon Baines Johnson, the Great Society.
Okay, let's press his button next. Lyndon B. Johnson.
Good evening. Thank you for showing an interest